Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language over on the Evernote app. So if you want to change your language on the Evernote app but you just don't know how, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. And by just starting off, there's no way to do this within the Evernote app. So what you want to do is go to settings on your iPhone or Android, and once you've done that, you can simply type in on the search bar Evernote, and then it will bring you to that specific app basically. And then right here you will see a language button. So right here, it's on iPhone right here. All you need to do is click on it and you can literally change it to whatever you want. So for example, Spanish. When I right now open the app again, so you need to reopen it basically, it's right now completely in Spanish, and that's all you need to do in order to change the language over on the Evernote app. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.